Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Facebook page account. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're managing the page you want to delete. To do this, tap the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. If you are not already using your page profile, tap on the profile icon or the small arrow to switch to the Facebook page you manage. Once you are using your page profile, tap the menu icon again in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the gear icon in the top right to open the settings. Scroll down in the settings menu until you find the section called Your Information. Under that section, tap on Access and Control. This may take a moment to load. Next, tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Then, select Delete Page. Tap Continue to move forward. Facebook may ask why you are deleting your page. You can skip this step by tapping Continue again. On the next screen, Facebook will inform you that this action will permanently delete your page. It may also give you the option to download your page data or transfer the information if needed. You can review those options if necessary. Then, tap Continue. Now you will be asked to enter your Facebook account password. Once entered, tap Continue once more. Your Facebook page is now scheduled for permanent deletion. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.